Adam. Okay, you're a big dog. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, what is this? What is this? I know. Dog? How does the dog go? Walk. That's a gorgeous dog.
Nice dog. Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah, don't touch the dog's eyes. Mating doesn't like that. You have to be gentle with the animals. Just like they want.
Make nice. Only nice.
Tickle your feet. That's so nice. You want to touch gentle? Make nice.
Nice.
Hi, dog. There's a baby. You're right. There's a baby. You want to touch it? Gentle.
Gentle, make nice.
That's nice. That's nice. Hi, dog. No, dog's sleeping. Dog wants to rest. It's hot. The dog is hot. She wants to rest. It's nice for the dog to rest. Here, I touched it.
But nice only.
Nice. Hi, dog. You want to touch it? Gentle. That's nice. Good listening. Very good. You touched it? That's very nice. Beautiful doggy. Okay, let's let the dog sleep. We'll see the dog later. Say bye-bye, doggy. You want the dog to sit there? Okay, say bye-bye, doggy. See you later. Have a good sleep. The dog's very nice here. He's here. Yeah, he's going to make nice and sleepy. Hi, sweetie. Thanks, doggy. Okay, say bye-bye, doggy. Come on, touch it.
Nice.
Such a nice dog.
You know my dog was a Great Dane and a Ridgeback.
See, Adam, baby sleep. Maybe you'll sleep too. He's 22 months. How old's your baby?
Oh.
Getting any sleep? Good. That's wonderful. Who didn't?
You're touching the dog? Very good. Make nice only. Nice, there you go.